Hi everyone, welcome back to my video. So today in this video, I'm gonna unbox uh, the GoPro Black 12, which is in my hand right now. This is a action camera, and I'm gonna show you each and every details of this camera. And beside this camera, I have the accessories kit, 14 kit inside. So this camera is all the way from Kuwait, and it's a gift from my younger sister. So I'm going to show you the details of this camera. Okay guys, so this is the GoPro camera 12, and I'm going to unbox this camera right now. So the cover looks like this, GoPro 12 black, and from the top live we can see 27 megapixel photos, 5.3K plus 60 plus 4K 120, 2.7K 240 videos. Waterproof, 33 feet, we can go up to 33 feet underwater. Voice control, we have voice control in this camera. Slow motion, uh, hyper view, time lapse 3.0, 1080 live streaming, super photo, raw photos, HDR photos plus videos, 10-bit colors, mode ready. So we have this look, and I'm gonna, so we have this cover. So it looks like this. We have one data cable, charging, we have a sticky mount inside, we have enduro battery. Actually this battery is for cold places. Okay, and we have mount, I guess, to lock it from here. This for this, I guess. And now I'm taking out the GoPro 12. So your camera must be updated before you can use it. Okay, so I'm gonna do this black beast now. Okay, okay, so GoPro 12 looks like this, guys. From now onwards, I'm gonna fly with this action camera. This is the power mode, and we have this. I think this is the recording. Click, have to click like this, I guess, and the battery will go inside, and we have the place for SD card. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you some menus. We get the SD card of 64 GB. This is like the stickers, I guess. You can see the guide, and we have to download this quick from App Store, Google Play Store, and we have to scan here, and we have to connect to this camera. It's in Chinese language. Pro tips for the best cold weather performance: charge enduro battery 100% before each use. Yeah, it's important. And subscribe to get the most out of your GoPro. You can use it. Okay, so guys, uh, I'll put SD card inside now. It's a real pack, guys, and it's not easy to take it out. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna put this memory inside. Directions here. I think this is the right way. Put it inside. Yes, this is the right way. And I need to put the battery now. What is this, guys? I don't know. And this is the right way to put the battery in. Yeah. Okay. And now, like, I have to, whether it's charged or not. Okay. GoPro. English. Yes, English. By using this GoPro, I agree to terms of using available at gopro.com. Agree. Turn on. Turn on to control your camera using your voice. Turn on, yes. Voice control language is set to English. Yes. Confirm. Yes. It card checking. 350 MB free. Space required. We can see like 13% we have the battery now. Battery check. 20% battery. Okay. Turn on to control your camera using your voice. On, yes. Confirm. So guys, like after waiting many minutes, like we have connected this quick app to the GoPro, and we have finally started the camera here. Like you can see like the digital lenses, super view 16 mm out here, hyper view we have 12 mm, this is super view mode, and this linear view, and we have this kind of functions out here. Like for now, like I'll go with this mode. So we have this view, and I will share each and every video clip of different modes. And for now, like we have the action camera accessories kit 14 in 1. So I'm gonna take this out. So we have all these kits inside. L size carry case, chest mount harness, floating bobber with screw, head strap, buckle basic mount, long thumb screw, tripod adapter, Uh, this one is three-way adjustable pivot arm, selfie stick monopod, silver mini tripod, uh, suction cup, bike handlebar, seat post mount, cell phone holder, J hook, buckle mount. So we have all these accessories inside this cover. Let's check this out, guys. So here we have a beautiful bag. It's a good material, really. Okay, so we have all these things. Okay, so this one is a head strap, which we can put it on head. The first one, and this is silver mini tripod. This is the another data cable. This thing is suction cup. I think this is for the car, like we can put it on the car. Okay, and the next one is like you can see on the outside, like three-way adjustable pivot arm. This one. This one is bike handle seat post mount. This is bike handle seat mount. Bike handlebar seat post mount. This is, and this one is floating bobber with screw. We can use this thing on water. We have the stripe and we have one screw with it. And we have the chest mount harness, which we can run, which we can use well doing motovlogging. And this one is selfie stick mono tripod. Yes, we can. It's adjustable mono tripod. So this is the thing, guys. Okay, guys, so this is it for today, and thank you for watching this video. And we have the total information about the Gopro12, and we will see you on the next video with this amazing action camera, and I will share you the beautiful videos about the adventures like here and there and all. So see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.